Hey, what's going on? Benji Kaiser here in this series talking about how to get started in online video. How do you use Instagram with your media? What's the way that you really are creating a community, a following, compared to, say, YouTube or Facebook? How do you use Instagram? We're going to talk about that right now. But before we continue, if you've yet to subscribe to this channel, I highly recommend doing so. Put out daily videos helping you create media that packs a punch and builds an audience. And before we jump into the content, if you're curious about any of the other videos, I've been producing a whole series about how to get started and how to utilize online video and just content marketing. So you can check out that playlist and some of those videos in the YouTube cards above or the description below. As you're going through the video, if you like this content, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please comment below. I want to answer your questions and I want to make videos that are helping you pack a punch and build an audience. Let's jump over to how to use Instagram with video and digital media in general. First and foremost, this is a big contrast to YouTube and Facebook, and that's you want to be filming in portrait mode. I think this is pretty obvious with most people using Instagram that things are either square or portrait vertical. That is probably the number one tip. When you goes to YouTube and Facebook, you're gonna wanna be filming landscape style, where this is considered 1920 by 1080. That is the standard video format, but on Instagram, portrait all the way. Now, how do you use Instagram? What are you talking about? Well, Instagram is the highlight reel of your life, as we know. It's the big moments, it's what you're going through, it's your day-to-day. With Instagram stories, you can just document your day-to-day. You can clip in images, you can clip in text. Video is really powerful, especially live video right now. People are really loving that, being able to see what you're doing in the moment. So that's going to be one of the biggest things, is just highlighting little things throughout your day, talking about what you're doing, where you're going. Whereas compared to Facebook and YouTube is going to be your big search engine. It's the second largest search engine in the world. Facebook is going to be information that's shareable, content that people are going to kind of rally around and conversate on and talk about. Instagram is more of just people are flicking through, see what's going on. So say you're a nonprofit organization in Haiti and you're trying to promote water. You're trying to send water to Haiti. You're trying to put in wells in Haiti. Well, you want to send pictures of people over in Haiti. You want to talk about the developments in the technology. You want to post kind of daily life if you're actually over there on a trip, on a mission trip, helping with the water, helping build wells. You want to just kind of show that highlighted, that clip, that footage. People are going to less conversate about it than they would in Facebook, and people are going to search it less than they would in YouTube. So that's the difference between the three. One is a search engine, one is a community, one is a highlight reel. They all are kind of blending as people are going more and more online for all of their content, and communities are growing in almost every platform. But as a whole, that's how you can break it apart in your mind. Instagram is going to be really quick highlight clips, pictures. Facebook is going to be a little bit more in length, so 3 to 5 minutes. And then YouTube is going to be your 8 to kind of 11-minute videos that really hone in on content and really answer questions. So that is really the basic gist of Instagram. Very much highlight reel, very much just kind of like quick sneak peeks on the content. Having control of all the platforms is going to be your biggest win with the strategy, and that's why I've produced 3 videos about how to use Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. So you can check those out in the YouTube cards above or the description below. Maybe you're wondering why you should get started in online media. There's another video about that. Perhaps you've been using your iPhone and you want to upgrade. You can check out that content as well. I have the best tech and gear to get you started with online video. Thank you again for tuning into this video. I'm Benji Kaiser of BenjiKaiser.com. This has been an episode from Punch Media, helping you create media that packs a punch and builds an audience. So that's what I'm doing here on this channel. Subscribe, hit the like button, comment below. Please, if you have any questions, comment below. And I'll see you here on the next episode.